Hello and welcome to Tubicon. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to register, log in, and download the app. First, we're going to go into login and register. What you need to do is register an account by filling out the registration document. Okay, for this example, we're going to use John Smith, our email address, which will also be our username, our company, and other details. Phone number, country. For this example, we're going to use United States. We're going to use California and the city of Los Angeles. Then we're going to fill in how did you hear about us. This example, I'm going to say web search. Then we would create a password. And you would read the terms and conditions and also some information about data protection. Then you would confirm that you are not in fact a robot. And it would ask you some questions. Then you would simply click the register button. You then would be sent a verification email, and this is what it looks like. Once you have activated your email address, you can now log in. What you'd first notice is the tabs at the top of the screen: Dashboard, Live, Media, Settings, and Tutorials. You'll also notice this area here. This gives you the information about how much time you have available and how much time you have consumed during your live broadcast. What you'd need to do now is take your mobile device and visit the App Store to download the app. This is what the Tubicon app looks like in the App Store. And over here is what it would look like on your mobile device. When logging onto the app for the first time, you would need to use the same login details as you did while registering. Please join me in my next video. We will talk about linking your mobile device, as well as some other features regarding Tubicon and live broadcasting. Thank you very much.